here at LBU Lighting, Fort Lauderdale, where we've come to introduce you to smart lighting. The question we're asking today as we meet with our store manager is your home as smart as you are? Let's take a look.
Alexa, turn all lights on. Hi everyone, I'm Tori. I'm the store manager here at the LBU Lighting in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and we're going to take a look at smart home technology. What we've got going on in here is how to make your room smart. We can do that on a bunch of different levels. We can do it if the fixture is integrated smart technology, or if we need to start to make a fixture that looks beautiful but isn't smart, but you want to be able to do what I just did. So in order to take a fixture that is not smart, but you want it to incorporate with your home assistant, we'll take a look at how to get that done. If you want to be able to do what I just did with my home assistant, which could be Ecobee, it could be Google Assistant, or Alexa, we need to get a smart home starter kit. That can start as low as $20.25, which is the summer 2022 pricing. And that's going to consist of your in-wall dimmer, your smart bridge to put on your network. We've got a simple motion sensor, which is great for a closet or a bathroom, and then your Pico to turn on and off the light that you're trying to control. So what that looks like from an application standpoint, we can say, Alexa, dim pendant 75%. And then you get a really nice glow to your fixture. All right, what I just showed you will work with any home system. All you need is this bridge and you're ready to rock and roll. You can come in and talk to any of us at our 9 locations across the state of Florida. We'd be happy to simplify this smart home process for you. All right, next we're gonna jump into our whole home automation, which is great for those homes that are over 7,000 square feet that wanna be able to control their entire home and have really nice looking wall plates. That's gonna look like this. This is the Raw 3 setup here. We've got different keypads that allow us to create different scenes. So I can turn all my lights on with the click of a button, or if I'm watching a movie and I want to have really nice mood lighting, I can go to this soft or these sconces and it'll turn everything off except for those items, and it'll make it for a really nice look. This is a little bit more of a complicated process. We're going to need to have a consultation. We have to get involved. We need floor plans, or if we're doing a simple remodel, we need to understand what is going on so we can get you set, because each one of the items that we have shown previously is hardwired, but it's ran to a home run panel, which is up here in my showroom, just so we can show you the switches don't go away. They simply move to a new location. All right, so since we've looked and seen that we can't really get rid of the switches that are controlling all of these beautiful lights, we just simply move them so our wall itself is really nice and clean. So that's going to allow us to put all of the functions we want on this from this room in a very simple 2-gang box. And I can control my upper lights, my lower lights, I can control my wall sconces and create a really nice mood setting in this space. Come into any of our LBU lighting showrooms across the state of Florida and we can get you set. We really need to work with the proximity of the house and what all needs to be smart and the fixtures that you want to be talking to the device. All right, so I'm sure as you've been doing your research on making your home smart, you've come across Wi-Fi smart bulbs. I want to show you today what that actually looks like. It's very easy installation. You can do it in your landscape lights, you can do it in a nice floor lamp, you can do it in any fixture that takes socket-based fixture that takes light bulbs. And that is simply screw in the light bulb. Then you're going to download the app on your smart device. I've got my iPad here. Walk through the very simple setup and setup instructions and then start playing. So I have got it set to an effect here called Dazzle, so it just rotates through all of the different pictures, different colors. And then we've got the different colors and the whites that you can do as well. You can dim it within there, control the intensity and the brightness. The next type of fixtures we're going to be looking at are in integrated smart technology. So what I've got hanging here is a simple flush mount. It's called the Groove from ET2. It is Bluetooth enabled, so what that means is you simply download the Wiz app on your phone, walk through again that simple setup, And then you're able to adjust the color temperature from really, really white at 6,500 down to really, really warm at 2,700. And then we can also change the intensity of the light, with the dimming capability. So that allows us to dim it down nice and low, and then also change the color from that really white to that really warm, depending on what you need. So one fixture has the versatility to accomplish a lot. All right, so our next group of lighting we're going to take a look at that is smart integrated is going to be WAC. They have a ton of smart products, including their smart fans that they just launched, which are amazing. We'll get to that later. Today we're going to dig into the Strut System, which is extremely versatile. It's great for our condos down here with concrete ceilings that you need to be able to get a ton of different lighting solutions with one simple power source. So what that looks like up here is we've got a wall washer that's really nice because it can shoot directly on a painting. It can give us lots of light. The cool thing with the Strut system is that everything is integrated differently. So you download the app, you put the fixture that we're controlling on that app, and then I can control just one item, even if they've got 10 items up here, independently. So we were able to dim that wall washer. The next one we're going to go to is this Regress Light. So if I was working here and I didn't want as much light, I would have it dimmed really low. But say I'm doing something very technical and I need a ton of light on my counter, I'm able to increase that. They're available in different color temperatures from really, really warm, 2,700, up to 4,000 Kelvin. The other cool thing that this system allows us to do is hang pendants. So if we've got those hanging over a dining room table or an island, I can then separate those out as well and turn those off independently from everything else. All right, now that we've gone through all of our smart technology that we have in the showroom, come into the store at LBU Lighting. We've got 9 locations across the state of Florida. We'll be happy to help you. You can go to our website, book a consultation to come in so you'll have dedicated time. We can take a look at all the beautiful pieces that we have, how to make them smart, and get the best setup for your home. Make it simple and ready to work with your smart home assistant.